Have a good night. All right, so let's go ahead and apply the brake right there. And this one is good. This one is good. This one is also good, but the third brake light, which is this one, is out. Let's go ahead and replace this one. Okay, so there is a connector right here, but you don't have to unplug it. Just turn this counterclockwise. Maybe, yeah, it should be counterclockwise. Oh boy, why it's so hard? It's not supposed to be this hard. Okay. Huh. All right. We're having some technical difficulties here. So, yeah. That's it. So, if you turn it counterclockwise, it's gonna stop right there. Can we pull it out? Huh. I'll go grab some tools. Alright, so I got this tool. We're just gonna pull this out gently. Why you're a little tougher? Huh. Come on, buddy. Oh, you know what? This is on the way. There we go. There we go. Alright, be careful in this one, guys. Don't force things. Then you can pull this thing out. There we go. And yeah, the wire is not very long. I almost broke it. Look at that. Yep. So undo this. Alright, so here is the light bulb. I am wearing a gloves and not oily. So I think the part number is D25. It's right there. I'm not sure, but there's another number over here. Yeah, I'm gonna put them on the description. Yep, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this in. There we go. So to put this in, so basically there's two dots in each side. Line this up right there and then turn it clockwise. There we go. And then same thing here. You're gonna line this up until flush. Yep, there we go. Then turn it clockwise. Alright, so yeah, you guys need to remember about these two wires right here. Don't force things. Alright, cool. So it's on, and will you look at that? It's also on. Cool. Yep. This is it. Yeah, just remember the cable or the wire, they're not very long. So, yep. Thank you guys for watching. You have a great day. Bye.